We just listed for sale 20 multifamily units here in the city of Santa Ana, located at 1410 North French Street, just north of French Park in Santa Ana. This is a desirable submarket called French Court. This property is located directly across the street from an elementary school, very close to shopping, walking distance to restaurants, retail, and also very close to the 5 freeway. So if you're in the market looking for a multifamily property, and maybe you're looking for a lower price per unit property and a higher cap rate, this is an opportunity to consider. The property consists of 16 studio units and 4 one-bedroom, one-bath units. There's wall AC in each unit and also a private patio. For parking, there's garage parking and also secure parking underneath the building and also a laundry room. The property is individually metered for gas and electric, and there's upside in the rents. The rents are approximately 20% below market. The in-place advertised cap rate is a 4.5 cap rate on current rents. As units turn over, you can charge market, and we are anticipating the cap rate could get up to a 6.25 to 6.5 cap rate. So if you're in the market, if you're looking to buy in Santa Ana, maybe you already own in Santa Ana and that's your market you want to continue to buy in and scale, or if you're looking for a lower price per unit property in the Orange County market, consider this property on French Street. This has been a strong income producing property for our investor client that we helped sell this building. They acquired it back about 7 years ago, and they're just looking to simplify and divest of the property. If you'd like to tour the property with me, feel free to set up a time and I can get you into the interiors of the property and also go through the financials with you as well. Thanks again for watching this video, and we'll see you again soon.